Welcome to Callendina Adventures in Payments, Episode 2, Payment Card Types. The first criteria for distinguishing payment card types is, when does the cardholder put funds onto the card? Is it before they use the card at a merchant or after? If a cardholder puts funds onto the card first, then we need to know what kind of business the card issuer is. If the issuer is a bank and the money that they get from the cardholder is stored in a bank account, then the card is called a debit card. But if the issuer is not a bank, then the card is a prepaid card. Some prepaid cards can be used at pretty much any merchant. These are called open-loop prepaid cards. Some open-loop cards can have funds loaded onto them any number of times. These are reloadable open-loop cards. If cards can only have funds put onto them once, it's a single-load open-loop card. If a card can only be used at a single merchant, or just a couple of specific merchants, it is called a closed-loop card or gift card. So prepaid cards and debit cards are when the cardholder gives the money to the issuer before they use the card. And there are two types of cards where the cardholder uses the card first and pays for it later. The most common type today is a credit card. A credit card will have a preset credit limit, and the cardholder can pay the issuer back for whatever they have bought on the card over whatever time period they want, as long as they make a minimum payment each month and the total amount they owe never goes over the preset credit limit. Whereas a charge card has no preset credit limit, but must always be paid off in full whenever the statement is issued, say at the beginning of each month. And those are the different types of payment cards.